The babakoto, unique animal from Madagascar, is one of the largest living lemurs in Madagascar, measuring 60 to 70 centimeters, 25 to 28 in length from head to body and weighing between 6 kilograms. This animal has a distinctive black and white coloration and assumes an upright posture while climbing or embracing. Babakotos are monogamous and live in small family groups, moving through the trees, and are purely herbivorous, as well as seeds, fruits, and flowers. Their groups are highly vocal, communicating with other groups through singing, humming, and other vocalizations.